Hey friends, Dani Olson with the Dani Olson Group, and I'm here today with my friend Nick.
Hi guys.
And Nick is with Prosperity Mortgage, and he is a lender extraordinaire. And I asked him to join me today to talk to us about the market right now and mortgages and all of that stuff. Let's start off with the first one that I didn't even know until I became a realtor. What is the difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved?
Yeah, I think this is an awesome conversation to have, especially in the kind of market that we're in right now. I think we all know it's just hyper competitive. It's always been kind of competitive. After COVID, it's just nonstop. People are out there wanting to buy houses. And we're finding in a certain price range, it's just so competitive, multiple offers. You could be offering on a property sometimes with 10 plus buyers. And the difference here that you guys need to know if you're looking to buy a house, or if you're even selling a house and you need to understand what the kind of offers you're getting, is pre-qualified is just me as a loan officer. I just used what you told me your income and bank statements and how much you have saved. I just went off what you told me, right?
So there's not a lot of checking in or verifying like with an employer or anything like that.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So there's obviously much more to this than just what you say your income and savings are. The next step is where I actually request documents from you. And I say, give me your pay stubs, W-2s, let me look at your bank statements, and then I actually hand that off through the full approval process to someone called an underwriter. They're just someone that's licensed to fully approve your deal. I, as a loan officer, cannot. So the difference being that if you're a buyer, the advantage to you to get fully pre-approved is that you can go to that seller that you're offering the house on and say, hey, don't overlook my offer because it's so different from everyone else's. I've actually been fully approved by underwriting.
Right. There's not going to be a surprise of, oh.
Right, exactly. Yeah, my finances are not going to fall through. It's been checked out by the underwriter. And this whole process is basically, for me, 75% of the way done. Huge advantage to buyers so that your offer doesn't get overlooked.
That's awesome. So, can you pre-qualify people versus pre-approve them before they start looking?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think any lender that you're talking to, you should be an advocate for your own deal to do that, because the cost could be your offer gets overlooked. Now you lose out on the house. Now you got to get back in the car, go search for houses again, compete against another 10 buyers the next time, right? And the more times you do that, you're just going to get discouraged. So let's just, tell your loan officer, let's just take care of this now. Let me give you my stuff. Please send me through the full approval process so they can have some of those advantages.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. I love that. Okay. If you are thinking about purchasing a home, please contact me. I would be happy to help you, and I'd be happy to hook you up with my friend Nick. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.